Okay, so we use the consonant. We use the consonant. The consonant. Sorry, did I say consonant? Not consonant, but the indefinite. The indefinite article. Indefinite article and before words beginning with vowels. So we use the indefinite article and before words beginning with vowels. Examples: we have an airplane, an ant, an orange, an urn, an elephant, and etc, etc, etc. So if you look, all these words are beginning with vowels, and if you must use an article before them, then it's going to be an and not a. An airplane, an ant, an orange, an urn, an elephant, not a airplane, a ant, a orange, a urn, a elephant. All those are wrong. I brought out this topic because I noticed that mistake in many kids, so I thought it would be wise if I corrected it. I already corrected that in my kids lesson kits, so I thought it would be wise if I also share it with the universe. So take note, when words begin with when words begin with consonants, if you must use an article before them, you use the article a. And when words begin with vowels, if you must use an article, you use the article n. And if you're talking about words or noun, you already know, both you and the person you're addressing already know what that thing you're talking about, then you use the article the. But in the case where in the case where the person you're addressing is ignorant of what you're talking about, then you can't just use the before the word. It will make no sense to the speaker, and it will warrant the listener, to ask you the question: what, which, or where, or how. So from here, I'm going to move to unusual cases, or cases where you violate the rule that says when words begin with vowels, use an, and when words begin with consonants, use a. So we're going to see when that. So unusual cases. So I'm naming these unusual cases because there are cases where you have to violate the rule I just stated previously, that when words begin with consonants, you have to use the article a before them, and when they begin with vowels, you use the article an. So in words like uniform, union, which one again? Okay, all right, say university. So if you look at these words, there are more words than that, but I can only remember these three for now. Unity. Okay, unity. Not necessarily. I'm not using unity actually. So let's just use it. Let's just use these three for the purpose of illustration. If you look, these words you and you. All right. Uniform, union, university. These words all begin with the vowel u, but listen to the sound of this word uniform. It doesn't sound uniform. No, uniform. And the sound uniform is not u. The sound y is not the sound of a vowel. It's a sound of a consonant. So that violates the rule, although it's a vowel, but the sound is that of a consonant. So you can't say an uniform, you say a uniform. A union, a university, because of the sound y is that of a consonant and not that of a vowel. So that violates the previous rule, and that's why I named it unusual cases. So although you're clearly looking at a uniform here, but because of the sound, it turns into a consonant. Okay, you're clearly looking at a vowel, but because of the sound of the you're looking at a vowel, but because of the sound of the consonant y, that's the sound. In oral English, it's called the sound y. It's written in form of letter J, but it brings out the sound of letter Y. Y. Okay, if you're good in oral English, you know what exactly I'm talking about. So this is not an oral English class, so I won't be delving into that at all. So okay, although these words start with vowels, but the sound of the consonant y cancels the rule. It means you can't use an here, but you have to use a, and that makes it a uniform, a union, a university. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you understand. So if you have comments, leave them in my comment section. Wow, that brings me to comment. I only understand English language as a lingua franca because I am a Nigerian. I'm saying this because I noticed some comments that I don't understand. I don't know what language is that actually. I'm a Nigerian. My lingua franca is English. If you are a foreigner, address me in English language. I'll understand. And okay, comment in English language. If you're a Nigerian, you from southern Nigeria, please use English. If you're from northern Nigeria, you can use Hausa language. I understand that clearly. It's all